everyone! Today, I would like to introduce to you a special repair lathe for CKL bar 269 wheels independently developed by. This is a hub repair lathe with a maximum machining size of 26 inches. Help you efficiently repair aluminum alloy wheels, enhance finish and accuracy. The ball screw is installed in the middle of the bed. The structure is rigid. Maximum processing size can reach 26 inches. The X and Z axes are equipped with 4-volt motors. Move fast. Machining precision. Linear guides are used for the X and Z axes to ensure high accuracy and high finish. Perfect for aluminum alloy wheels repair. The main motor can be a 4-volt type. The tool holder can be manually or electrically operated. Flexibility to adapt to different scenarios. The processing effect is perfect, bright as new. You are welcome to visit our company at any time. Experience firsthand the power of our devices. You can contact me at any time if you have any questions.